Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In the last tutorial I showed you guys how to press D on a laptop keyboard. In this video I will teach you how to press E. So as you can see, this is the laptop keyboard and over there is E. So let's see what happens if you press E. Let's see. Oh, it's on the computer as well. I mean the display. There is written E. Okay, let's try it once again. E. It works. Now, as you can see, there's a capital E on the keyboard, but there's a small e on the display. Now, how will we make it a capital E? Let's see what we can do. So as you can see on the keyboard, there's a shift button. Press and hold the shift button and press E. See, it works. Let's try it once again. Hold the button and press E. It works. Now, if you're really lazy to hold a button, then what you can do is press this button called caps lock and press E. It works. As you can see, let's try it once again. Now let's see what the thing is saying on the display. E, 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 e. Okay, if you want to get back to the small e, then press caps lock and E. Thanks for watching the video. Hope this tutorial helped you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.